Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a photo with using your headphones Skullcandy Grind. You have to start by open Skullcandy application and now click take a photo. Now you should choose the earbud what you will use for it and the gesture for it. So let's say I wanna use it on my left earbud and for 1 second hold. So I click here and then click save button settings, and now if we will go to camera, I can just hold 1 second and take a photo. And as you can see, I just take a photo, make a photo, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.